I just have to present her with her diploma.
Yes. You this.
Projecting.
Ikaw, I'm not wearing.
Announcing the graduates of Dominican University, Miss Johanna Dingo, Doctor of Physical Therapy.
Yay! Come on, Joe. Walk.
Stand over here.
You're the best. Photo opportunity. That's
Jock,
right
come
there.
closer.
You gotta face us. This is what we're here for. Joanne, face here.
Face here. Yay!
Joanne, you have to move your tassel to the right.
Nick, you have to move.
I have to move it?
Yeah. Got a wardrobe malfunction. Oh gosh, it's so cute.
Abu, come here.
Okay, now I move it.
Yes.
Who moves it?
Oh,
She
she moves
moved.
it.
Yeah, you move it.
We don't know.
You cannot graduate.
Hi,
We're
boo
taking that paper
boo.
back.
Where is it going?
There. Open your your diploma.
Proof of purchase.
Out of the shot, Harry Potter.
Open. Ayan. Ruby.
Nice, one more. Oh my god, that's so